Hello everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to what is our presentation. Today we would like to tell you about our research with the title the development point of sale or POS application using RID method to reduce negligence in recording transaction. I am Widi Srianto and my partner Deni Kuswoyo. We are from State Polytechnic of Creative Media. Let's go to the next slide. Yeah, before we discuss about the content of our what is presentation, I would like to tell you about what the insight of our presentation or the content of our presentation. The first is about introduction. The second one about point of sales. The third about method. The fourth about result, and the last we will tell you about the conclusion of our research. So let's move to the first one, the introduction. Yeah, as we know, today is the Industrial Revolution 4.0, and there are at least 5 technologies that are the main pillars in developing a digital ready industry. Namely, the first one is Internet of Things, second one big data, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and last additive manufacturing. Yeah, these 5 technologies are very what is needed by the needs of industry today. And to use or to what is utilize the progression of the technology, so we use point of sales. What is point of sales? The point of sale is kind of a information system that is used for having transaction by doing the first step is like ordering, and then up until what is sending what is the thing that we want to tell to the or to give to the customer. So it's kind of system that help what is the owner to do transaction with the customer. For our method in this research, we use RID method. Yeah, RID method is you can see about the flow of the method by the first one is requirements planning, identify objective and information requirement, and the second one goes to work with user to design system, and it's repeated, and then go to the build the system after that. So the last is the implementation or introduce the new system that already planned. Yeah, the requirement planning phase is the user and analytics meet to define the application purpose and work towards solving business problem. At the needs analysis stage, the application need, limitation, and goals are determined by collecting data from sales and management. And the second one, in the system design phase, the design and improvement phase, and use application decision support teams to help user agree on design, user feedback, an actual working prototypes, and fine-tuning analysis of modules designed based on user feedback. At the modeling stage, design all the activities of the overall system, architecture, and improve understanding of the problem based on the analysis performed. And the last one is about implementation phase. In this phase, the newly created application is visible to the user of the application is not parallel to the previous system. At the implementation stage, in particular, the application of application and method is based on the needs of the application that can be explained in the implementation of the program code and the database. And the next topics will be presented with my partner, Pak Deni. Please do the rest.
Jadi, di slide we will discuss the result. In this result, we have three phase in business process, and then commercial rules, and then document use as running import and export system. At the first business process, we must get the information from sisi usaha mandiri, how to company activity occurring in the sales information system, like process, ordering process, and then shipping process, payment process, and the last reporting process. And then commercial rule, we get 7 rules in company, how to customer can buy material or paper in the company. The last document use, in entry document, we have invoice, and then letters of credit, and checker or wire transfer. Then exit document include purchase order, and then travel letter and receipt. After we finish get process business in sales system, we develop infrastructure, and we get hardware specification, and then software specification. After we purpose infrastructure, we start purpose point of sale application, include diagram, use case, and then we get database design, and then we get application display, and then we create user interface point of sale application. In database application, we use Microsoft Access. There is three of master data, and then in transaction we have for master for transaction, and then we have a report from master and transaction data. For the last application user interface, we use Visual Studio, uh, to create point of sales application. And then for the conclusion, okay, for our research is uh, application can make a sales information system perform for product sales transaction by catalog and report. And then report sales can help sales department to monitor and control sales transaction. Then that activity can make sales information effective and efficient to reduce confusion efficient in recording transaction in sales department. Okay, thank you, Pak Widi.
Okay, maybe that's it from us. Thank you very much for listening our and watching our presentation. If you have any question, just ask to us in the what is in the conference. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.